Alright, Michael's here. Hi everyone, and today I'd like to walk you through this job application automation. You see the repository here. You can clone it and use it, and let me show you how it looks like. It helps you tailor CVs for every job, and you can do this in an automated way. So instead of tailoring 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 CVs per day, you can do much more. For example, you can apply it for all the jobs you can find during the day. It can be 100, for example, and tailoring and PDF generation will be done for you. It doesn't apply for you because it's intentional, because you must be sure what you are sending to the recruiters. Okay, demonstration. Let me go. Let's jump directly into the demonstration. Okay, the jobs. So first of all, it works for LinkedIn. The only supported platform for the moment is LinkedIn, and what we have to do here is just get the jobs. Okay, so we get the list of jobs, and we would read it, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to read all this, and I'm sure that the recruiters will not read my CVs as well in the first stage, and I don't want to read this also, because there is 100 of job descriptions, and if I read it, it will take many minutes to read. So I want to validate this job automatically, and for that I have this extension installed. This extension is from this repository. It's here in the automation directory, the browser extension. You can install it to your Chrome or Chrome compatible browser, and then you will have this little tiny cute icon here, and that's the if you click it, you will copy this job description together with the prompt. This is the prompt. You can update it if you like, or you can leave it as it is. Oh, by the way, sorry for the roosters. I'm visiting my friend in a village, and they are growing chickens, so sorry for that. I have to live with that too. Okay, I hope that I will not spoil the recording too much. Right, so here's the prompt. It's already copied to the clipboard, so all you have to do is just paste it here. Right, so that's the prompt. It includes the job description, and it includes the CV. It's my real CV, and you will need to copy this CV here, because in your case, when you just install the extension, this field will be empty, so you need to copy and paste your real CV, so that it knows, the AI knows what CV looks like. So okay, good. So I copy this, right, boom. That's the job, that's my CV, and this is what I'm asking. Is this a good job? Great fit, would you apply? Boom. Just run it. Let's see. No, it's a very bad fit. It's not, because because I'm a technical guy. I'm a CTO or an architect, and this is for sales role, and I'm not very good fit for this role. But let's pretend that it's good, and I want to apply to this role, but not now. First, I want to filter all those roles. There are many roles, like many pages of roles, and I want to filter all of them and to find all the jobs that I want to apply for. For example, this one is good. Okay, I'll apply for this one, and for that I will save it here in a new tab. This is important that it's in the new tab. I will cover this later. Just keep that in mind, that if you want to apply, you just open it in a new tab. So okay, so let's open 3 jobs. I want to apply to 3 jobs. 1, 2, 3. make sure that the job descriptions are loaded. We will need them. Right, everything's loaded, and now I want to apply, but I want to tailor my CV. I don't want to apply with my regular typical CV. I want to tailor it. And how do I do this? Normally I would read all these or copy paste to GPT and also copy paste my CV and then update my CV manually, and that would take time. And I would do that for each of those 3 or 30 or 300 job descriptions. So I want to do all that in an automatic way, just the way how all the modern people should be working. Okay, so the next step, keep your eyes open. Next step is capture tabs. So I want to capture all those jobs for the automation. So what I do is I just click this button here, capture tags, scan tabs, and all those jobs are captured here. And I want to copy or download JSON. You can do both. In my case, it's easier to copy, so I will just copy this this JSON. JSON is a data format, text-based, very useful. If you don't know it, have a look. It's very simple, very easy, and it's widely used everywhere. So I copy it, then I go to my file system, to this repository which I cloned and which works in my file system. For that I will use VS Code, but you can use any other file explorer, and you will also need a terminal. If you're on Mac or Linux, then you will use the terminal. If you're on Windows, please install another bash terminal like git bash, for example. In my case, I will use the integrated terminal for VS Code, and you see this repository is here, and this is my generic CV, which will be used later. And I use this jobs JSON to save it here. First of all, I create a new folder. Today's date, 21st of June 2026. Hi to everyone who will be watching this video in the future. Today is 21st of June 2026. Okay, and I create this file, new file. If you download JSON, it will just save it here, but important that you save it as jobs.json. This is important because this file name will be taken as default by the scripts, generation script. Okay, so all those, I just copy paste all those jobs here, save, make sure that this file is saved. Important that my CV is my CV here, because in the default situation, when you've just installed or cloned this repository, there will be some dummy CV from Agent Smith, from the Matrix movie. In my case, I replaced it here. Make sure that the name is real, but whatever name you use here will be used for file naming in the tailored CV. Okay, so this is a generic CV. It will be used for generated the tailored CV, and for that reason I will need to run one of those scripts in the automation. We have PDF generator, which will generate the tailored PDF from tailored HTML. We have the prompt generation for tailoring our generic CV, this one, and it will generate the prompts, and it will generate the empty CVs, which will be used to copy paste the final tailored CV. And we have validation prompt generator, which will generate the validation prompt which will validate our tailored CV from the point of view of the recruiter. It's optional, but it can be useful if you want to make sure that your CV is good from the point of view of the recruiter. Okay, so now let's go and generate those prompts to tailor my generic CV. So for that I need to go to this directory, or I just use the relative path automation. Oops, sorry. Automation scripts, and then prompt generator sh. Then I will need to specify this directory, the new directory, the working folder, applications 2026 0621. Let's check if it works. Okay, so it generated for all those 3 jobs, it generated the tailored prompts, and it generated the empty CVs, which will be used as shells or containers for my real CV, tailored CV. Okay, so let's check what's inside of the prompt. For example, this one, Burlington Stores. Task: tailor the CV below. The CV is this one. It's included. It's included here. You see, this is my CV. There is also job description, and it's asking. The prompt is asking GPT to tailor the CV below for the job description. Keep the HTML structure the same as this CV. This is my base CV, which will be used for generating. So the styling will be the same, just the text will change, just the content will change. Okay, so then we go and copy and paste this to your favorite GPT and run. So now it will start generating. It says working. Okay, it's ready. It generated my CV. It generated my tailored CV. It says retail sales associate. Good, friendly, organized, and blah blah blah. So it's good. So it will be enough for the automatic filters to pass, to let my CV pass and to reach the human recruiter in the end, and maybe even get a real interview. Okay, I need to copy this HTML and paste it Burlington here. Just copy and paste. Okay, so this is the CV. This one. Good. If it's not good, then we can use this prompt and say, hey, change the location back, for example, because it's you see it's updated the location, which is wrong. This is just an example. You don't have to do that. Good. And we do the same for all those jobs. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. So the next step is to generate the PDF, because you cannot apply with HTML. You need a PDF. And this script here, PDF generator, do this for us. PDF generator. Okay, now it's doing all that heavy lifting for generating the CV. Let's see how it looks like, if it's real or not. Okay, so those are the PDF generated for us. Okay, that's a nice photo. I used that from the generic CV which comes with the repo by default. And yeah, that's exactly the CV which was tailored. Good, I'll use it. And what I do next is I just go to this job, Burlington Stores, and just click this button, apply, and then I upload this tailored PDF, and that's it. And you just do the same for all those remaining jobs. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I hope that this automation will really help you to get your first or next great job. you.